Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps hanging issue on the application of Candy Crush Saga. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above here you will search about Candy Crush Saga app. In this page of app info, we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.